Hey guys, welcome back to NEXTGENBLOGGER, and in this video I want to show you how to create potato chips bag in Blender. Now it's actually super easy to create potato chips bag in Blender. So without further delay, let's get started and see how you can do this. Now to demonstrate this, first I would like to delete everything that is present on the scene, and now I would like to add a plane. Next, what you need to do is you need to rotate this plane along the x-axis by 90 degree. And now you need to scale this plane along the x-axis to 0.650 and now press enter. Next, what you need to do is you need to apply the scale. So press Ctrl A and now select this option, that is scale. Next, what we are going to do is we will subdivide this plane. So to do that, go to the edit mode and now right click on top of the plane and now select the subdivide option. Now click on this subdivide operator box and inside number of cuts, currently the value is 1. So increase the value inside number of cuts from 1 to 50 and now press enter. Next, what you need to do is you need to extend the vertices which are present right at the top and the bottom. So to do that, what we are going to do is we will first select the vertices which are present right at the top like this. And now press the letter G to grab all these vertices. Now press the letter Z and this will activate the Z axis. Now extend these vertices along the Z axis by 0.06 and now press enter. Now let's repeat the process for the vertices which are present right at the bottom. So let's first select the vertices which are present right at the bottom like this. Now press the letter G to grab these vertices. Now press the letter Z and this will activate the Z axis. Now let's extend all these vertices along the Z axis, this time by minus 0.06 and now press enter. Next, what you need to do is you need to select the vertices which are present at the top two rows, and then you need to select the vertices which are present at the bottom two rows. So let me first of all select the vertices which are present at the top two rows like this. Now press the shift key and select the vertices which are present at the bottom two rows like this. All right. Next, what you need to do is you need to put all these vertices that you selected in a vertex group. So to do that, go to Object Data Properties and right here you're going to find this section called Vertex Groups. So click on this plus symbol and let's rename this as pin, and now you need to click on this assign button. All right, now let's go back to object mode. Now what you need to do is you need to apply the Solidify modifier. So to do that, go to the modifiers tab, click on add modifier and inside generate, select the Solidify modifier. Now you don't need to make any changes right here. Simply click on this downwards arrow and select apply. Now let's go back to edit mode and now press the number 3 and this will give you the side view of the plane. Now let me zoom in like this. Next, what you need to do is you need to add a loop cut. So to do that, press Ctrl R and this will activate the loop cut tool. Now let me create a loop cut right in the middle of the side of the plane. So you need to bring your cursor right in the middle of the side of the plane like this, and you're going to see this selection. Now press enter and now press enter once again. Okay. Next, what you need to do is you need to press the letter U and you're going to see this UV mapping dialog box. So right here, you need to select this option, that is mark seam. Now go to the UV editing menu and now let's zoom in like this and press the letter A to select all the vertices, and now press the letter U and inside unwrap you need to select this option, that is angle based. Okay, now let's go back to our layout, and now what you need to do is you need to apply the cloth physics on top of this plane. So to do that, first select the plane. Now go to the physics tab and now select this option, that is cloth. Now what you need to do next is you need to scroll down below like this, and right here you're going to find this option called pressure. So you need to check this checkbox, and now you need to increase the value inside the pressure option from 0 to 10, and now press enter. Alright, now expand the cache section, and as you can see, inside simulation start 1 is there, so that's fine. Inside simulation end, currently the value is 250. So decrease the value inside the simulation end option from 250 to 50, and now press enter. I would also like to change the value inside the end frame text box from 250 to 50 because I want the animation to end at the 50th frame. Now let's expand the shape section, and right here you're going to find this option called pin group. So click on this drop down list and select this option, that is pin. Now you're going to find another option right here called shrinking factor, where currently the value is 0. So decrease the value inside the shrinking factor option from 0 to minus 0.1, and now press enter. Next, expand the collisions section, and right here you need to disable this option, that is object collisions. Next, you need to expand the field weights section, and right here you're going to find this option called gravity, where currently the value is 1. So decrease the value inside the gravity option from 1 to 0, and now you need to click on this option which says bake all dynamics. And once the bake gets complete, now if I play the animation for you, so as you can see, our chips bag is beginning to take shape. Now I would like to make a couple of changes right here because this is kind of looking weird. So let me right click on top of this chips bag, and now let me select this option, that is shade smooth. Yeah, now it is looking much better. I would also like to go to the modifiers tab, and I would like to apply this cloth modifier. So click on this downwards arrow and select apply. Alright, now let's add the potato chips wrapper around this bag. So to do that, go to the shading menu, and what you need to do is you need to click on this new button, and the moment you click on the new button, you're going to see these two nodes, principal BSDF node connected to the material output node. So you need to add image texture. So press Shift A and now search for image texture. Now place the image texture node right beside the principal BSDF node like this, and now connect the color output from the image texture node to the base color input from the principal BSDF node. Now click on this open option and now select your potato chips wrapper. So I have downloaded a potato chips wrapper, so let me select it and now click on open image button. Now off the bat, as you can see, it's kind of looking weird. First of all, it's kind of rotated 180 degree, and so we need to change that, and we also need to adjust a couple of other things. So let me go to the UV editing menu, and let me first of all zoom out like this. Now press the letter A to select everything, and now press the letter R, and this will activate the rotate tool, and now directly enter the value 180 and now press enter. And now let's go back to the shading menu, and as you can see, okay, so now we can properly see the front side and the back side of the wrapper. Now we need to adjust the placement of the wrapper. So let's go back to the UV editing menu, and I would like to first of all scale down the size of this selection. So press the letter S and now scale down the size of the selection like this. Okay, now I think I've placed everything properly. Now if I go to the shading menu, as you can see, the front side of the wrapper is properly placed. Issue is with the back side, because right here it is kind of looking weird. There is this empty space, so I need to fix it. So to do that, go back to the UV editing menu, and what we are going to do is we will select 1/2 like this. Now press the letter G and now press the letter X, and this will activate the X-axis. Now let's move this 1/2 along the X-axis like this. Okay, and now press enter. Alright, now let's go back to the shading menu, and now as you can see, we have successfully placed the wrapper and it is properly visible from the front side and the back side. So this is how you can create potato chips bag in Blender. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will again see you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.